What is organic search? Here's what you need to know. This is Crossing Seas. I'm Core Cross, and I want to help you navigate to success. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Also in the description box below, there's going to be a link to my #1 way to make money online. Click on it, and I'll be able to send you to the same training that I took that really helped fast track me on my way to becoming a successful entrepreneur online. What is organic search? Organic or natural search refers to unpaid search results on a search engine. Organic search is usually based on the relevance to the user's search query and the domain authority of a website. The search results are produced by the search engine's individual algorithm. Note the algorithm that ranks websites may differ from search engine to search engine. That's why the result pages of Google, Bing, and Yahoo are not the same for a given search term. The importance of organic search. Organic or natural search is highly targeted and more likely to convert compared to all other forms of traffic. Organic search is more targeted due to its user's intent, meaning that someone searched a term, your website popped up, and they are looking for what you already have. Organic search will show highly targeted information relevant to the intent of the user, making it easier to convert the visitor into a customer. The latest statistics reveal that more than 70% of search traffic goes to the first 5 positions of Google, influencing the position of a website in organic search. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the process used to influence the position of a website in organic search. According to a study done by Moz.com, the cost of SEO to rank a brand new website can range between $1,000 to $7,500. In fact, Avinash, Google Analytics expert, revealed that over 86% of search engine users prefer organic search results compared to social media and other forms of traffic. By trying to get the same number of hits with PPC, you will have to pay thousands of dollars in the process because the cost per click for SEO is much lower compared to PPC. Indexing a website. To have any chance of ranking in organic search results, a website needs to be indexed by the search engines. The search engines robots scan millions of web pages to index during the crawling process. If the robots can't find your website, or you have accidentally blocked search engines from indexing your content, your site won't appear for any search. You should check your technical SEO to make sure your website can be easily indexed by search engine robots during the crawling process. Ranking factors. Your site should load faster and be accessible on all devices, including mobile devices. If your site doesn't load within 3 seconds, you will be losing potential customer. If your site doesn't have a responsive theme, it won't have access on all devices. You are losing a large share of traffic under such circumstances. Backlinks. High quality and relevant backlinks are important these days to rank on the first page of Google. Focus on providing high quality and relevant content that answers the questions for your targeted visitor, and you will automatically get high authority sites linking back to your site by sharing your content. Alright, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Also in the description box below, there's going to be a link. Click on it. I'll be able to send you the same training I got to start my own online business and make money online. Thank you again for watching.